Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Tech Proby, and on this video we will talk about ChatGPT 4. On the previous video we have already covered ChatGPT 3.5, which is a free version of ChatGPT, and this ChatGPT 4 version is a paid version, which is a which you have to pay for it. And in this video we will cover all the advanced features which ChatGPT 4 give us. So if you haven't watched the last video, which is a free ChatGPT 3.5 version, you can check that video. In that video we have started from the basic, from the account creation, from the basic scratch, and the how you can insert your query, and you can see the response as well. From the basic you can start as well. So as of now you can switch between 3.5 to 4, because as of now I have taken the subscription, so I have a two option to select. So when I switch to 3.5, I have that option to type my query, and just directly whatever the query I will select, plan a trip. Once I click over here, it will directly give me a prompt and give me a answer of whatever the query I will select, and I can stop over here. Also, I can see my all the chats which are uh, previously I have done. I can create a new chat as well, but in this video we are covering the advanced one. So let's go ahead with the chat gpt 4. Also, if I switch into the ChatGPT 4 option, you can see over here there will be a multiple options. Default, browse with bink, beta, advanced, data analytic analysis, plugin, and del 3. So we will go step by step. So first I will select the default one. So default will include the 3.5 version, all the features, and also we have one more add-on will be a include a attachment images. So as of now, on a scale of 100, if I give a ranking to 3.5, it will be around, you can say the intelligence level of 3.5 will be around 40 to 30 to 40, or maybe max to 50 to understand our requirement, while ChatGPT 4 will be around 90 to 95. So this must be the difference between both of the AI models. So as of now on the chat gpt 4, if I want to use any of the images, like as of now, if I want to use any images, I click over here, I will use this image. So 7 rules of life, I will click over here and open this image, and over here I will write down over here like uh, explain everything in this image to me. So as of now it will fetch all the information out of this image. So this feature is not on the 3.5 ChatGPT, which is a free version. This is a paid version, ChatGPT 4, which include this feature of fetching a data from an image as well. So you can see, let it go. This is the first point of image. So it will fetch all the information from that one, and you can use your images from that one. So I can click over here. So likewise I can use my png, jpg, and other format as well. So this is a default option, so I can stop over here. So likewise you can use multiple option from here as well. Now we can switch to next model, which is chat gpt browse with bing. So basically the difference between what is default and browse with bing is it's a real time interaction. So if in default mode, I will ask about the temperature. So as of now, if I ask about the temperature of Dehradun in celsius, so it will give me some like issues, like I am unable to browse, because basically it's not connected with the internet. It's a AI model which is not connected with the internet, and unable to browse to the internet. But if I directly connect it with the browser with the help of bing, so I will use it and put it over here, and now I'm using a bing as a browser. to connect it to the browser, so it will give me the, you can say, the exact temperature. So let's see how it works. So then we also compare it with the Chrome browser as well. So as of now it's working, but the current temperature is 22 Celsius. Let's see, check with the, so as of now it's showing 18 Celsius, and on a bing it's showing 1822 Celsius. So as of now when you're using a bing, it will use a internet information. So likewise you can use bing as well. Then we have advanced data analytic option. So for data analytic option, there is an option to use Excels. So if you have any Excel data, you can directly go over here. You can use this Excel. As of now, I have an Excel over here, and we have a data. You can say the trial ID, the regions. I can click over here and open. I can use this Excel to fetch data. So I can upload this Excel, and let's see how to get data out of this Excel. So I will click over here and examine this Excel and give me the information. So as of now it's working. You can also see how it's working. It's on the back end it's writing a code to fetch a data. So data has been fetched. Now it will fetch a data and show us the information. So you can see it will show us the information. So it will show us the trial ID and region which has already been there. So trial ID in regions. So likewise, if you have a bunch of data on your Excels and you want any summarize of that Excel, you can directly upload your Excel and get the summary of your Excel as well. Also, I can ask for a tabular data. Let's see if we get data in a tabular form as well. So you can see in the backend it's working as a code. So also it shows us some bar graph as well. So you can create some bar graph as well, and you can copy it as well and use it in your PPT as well. So now we have another option which is plugins. So I will go over here and use a plugin, beta plugins. So plugins are basically like a code snippet. So if I want to create any code, so I can directly create a code over here. So let's see, you can use plugins from the library. So this is a predefined library. Over here I can install this library. uh, as of now it's refreshing, but I will just click over here and I will uh, ask ChatGPT 4 to create a simple program to, you can say, the plan a tour, examine this code, recommend activity, help in debug. So I will create a code, create a simple website for my portfolio. So let's see how it will work. So it will create a proper, you can say, a website. Basically it will use some of its information, and using a plugins it will use its information, and then it will give you a context of that one. As of now it giving a separate HTML and CSS. Now you can give it a command to combine CSS, JavaScript and CSS together. So I will ask him to combine CSS and HTML. So now it will combine CSS and HTML. So we don't have to separately put this css and html on our code. Let's see how it's working. So you can also see in backend how it's working. So response has been generated now. Let's see. So css has been integrated with the html part, and now we have both css and html in single code. We will run this on html w3 html. So we have this one, a basic html, and we can enhance it by own. We can use it by own. As of now, if I go over here and use plugins and remove all of them, create a charter. Let's see if it create a some basic application as well. So moving ahead with the del 3. So del 3 is basically out of a text it will create a image. So if I want to create any image out of a text, it will create an image out of that one. So if I want to create an image basically for my channel, so I will give you a command over here like this one. So let's see if how it works. So as of now it will take the text and it will create an image out of the text. So you can see I have raised a query like create a logo of my channel named TechProby, which has a commando with a gun in hand and the name of the channel in the front of him and an animated theme with a blue and a light green color. So he has created these two images, and also I can make more enhancement in this as well. So if you want you can add more theme as well. So I will ask him to add some more guns as well. So now let's see how it will manipulate this image. So see now ChatGPT 4 has added more guns on these images as well. So likewise we can create more images, we can create more images out of the text with this del 3 feature in the ChatGPT 4, the advanced version. So likewise, you can explore all the features of ChatGPT 4, the paid version from here. And also now we can explore the setting option over here. From the setting option, you can see there is an option of journal. From here, you can set the themes as per your preference. Then we have beta features like plugins. You can turn it on and off as well. Advanced data analytic, you can select on and off as well. Data control, manage, export, you can export your data. You can delete your account from here as well. Chat history and training, you can turn it off and off as well. Also, you can see your subscription from plan from here. As of now, it's take $20 per month, almost 21 to $22 using also added a GST as well. So $22 per month. So you have to pay $22 per month for this one, for ChatGPT 4 subscription model. So thank you so much to watch this video till end, and please like, share and comment on this video.